Hey everybody, happy Saturday night. Just got back from a big day in Indianapolis, and we're going to do a little unboxing with some mail I got. Haven't been to the post office in probably a week or so, so we had some things piling up. So great opportunity to do some unboxing. Most of these are probably just different toy Facebook group purchases. Little bulldozer. It's probably backwards for you guys watching this, but little bulldozer, Lego. Let's see what this one is. They kind of made this box here, so no real easy way to open it. So we'll just slice and dice it. Pretty decent packaging. So probably a DC figure. I think I probably no, this is the Jay Garrick Flash. So, kind of cool retro Flash here. Neat little figure. I'm not a huge Flash fan, but he's a couple reasons. He's got the old speedster hat here. My light's reflecting pretty bad off him. And then he's got the Build-A-Figure here that can build that dude. Doubt I'll ever, take him out of the package, but the completionist in me. And this, I have no clue. Oh, I bet this is this an IKEA shelf? Nope, this is Dice Masters. I was going through some of my Dice Master stuff the other night. I realized I didn't have enough stuff to hold it. My cards are kind of in a mess. So if any of you have ever played Dice Masters, it's a fun and simple game to pick up, but like many other games, it does have complexities and some strategy to it and whatnot. So this feels like it's got stuff in it. When I bought this is a pretty pleasant surprise. When I bought this, I expected it just to have be an empty box for storage. I didn't expect it to have all these in it. You have different cards, different dice. So this was a pretty pleasant surprise. Maybe I didn't read the description well enough, or I didn't do something, but I'm quite surprised. So, bonus. I probably have a lot of these, but there's probably some I don't have. Looks like there's some still in some packaging, and there's some cards in here I can feel. Yeah, there's some cards in here. Doomsday, Superman. Yeah, some bags, playmat. So, bonus. Quite surprised at that. This is the last one I have right here. Oh, cute little doggy here. So let's see what we got here. Got a Joker. I'm kind of wanting that Joker for a while, but he's neat, but he's not super neat for me to say, hey, I'll pay, you know, $20 for this. I think I may have paid $8 or $10 for him, you know, plus shipping or whatever, but, you know, just waited around for a deal on him. Looks like we got a pop too. Don't want to cut the pop. Yeah, cool little Megatron pop. Man, I gotta fix that light somehow. I got a better pace to do some of these videos. So yeah, that's pretty neat mail haul today. A couple of the places at mainly the Crawfordsville show. We got several things. First one, he's kind of dusty, but can clean up. You know, black suit Superman. You know, $5. I'll pay $5 for almost any DC figure. And we got Dr. Mindbender. I don't have one of these, so I've been kind of biding my time to find one at a decent price. So neat figure. But yeah, that was the majority of the collectibles day. I think we got some more things in a bag and such, but cool. Thanks for watching.